guys, came here with my project card. Unfortunately, the gears don't go in, but like, yeah, they said the clutch doesn't need gauge oil and everything. But now, starting the car, get it to, and we're buying home. Came to the mall, didn't find the things that I'm looking for. But always gonna see. Fortunately, no freeway time now. My worst nightmare is here, bruh. See here, aish. Come with me, let's struggle together. Get one that's gonna go in. Get two does. Pass cops, gang. Illuminati down. Like the car keeps on while I'm on flat pedal, dog. I don't know why. But this car's giving me problems now, dog. I'm going to park in. I'm going to check the things that I'm looking for. It's not a car park though. It's not a car park. I'm going to check something that I'm looking for. Last time I went here, I came here at the car, and they were screaming at me. Is that Angablas here? They were screaming at me for making noise. Oh, even my brakes are coloring. My brakes down. Guys, come back. No. Back at it again. My one went in. But the wine is there. but please opening the gates and stuff. The windows, I mean. You keep on opening the windows.